Hi, I'm Brad Satin with Focus Media Services, and thought I'd spend just a few minutes talking to you about the use of video. Video can be used in a variety of ways within an organization's strategic communications plan. Video is important because about 75 million people look at video every single day, primarily online, and even more than that, this year video accounts for about 80% of all consumer internet traffic. So video is the way to go, and if you're not using it, you're likely missing out on targeting potential clients, potential customers. So we have created here at Focus Media Services something called the Video Content Pyramid, and I wanted to kind of run through what it is. Again, it's ways that you can utilize video within your organization. As with any pyramid, I guess, there's a top point to it, and that begins with your primary image video. This is usually a 2 to 3 minute video about your organization. If you think of your website as kind of a storefront, people are passing by it and they're either going to stop or not stop based on what they see. Well, in this case, your website is your storefront, and your video can kind of be the mannequins or the display that catches people's attention. It's really what is front and center on your website that kind of highlights your brand, who you are, what you do, and the passion for how you do it. Now, as part of this demonstration, we utilized a company called Freya Systems. They're a software development and data analytics company, and they commissioned us to come in and do a series of videos for them, beginning with their primary image video. It's an opportunity for the company front and center to highlight the partners, the purpose, the background, why they went into business, and what they do for their customers. Let's just watch a few seconds of it here.
I would say the spark started even before the company did. When I was 14 years old, I learned how to fly, and that really set me on the trajectory for understanding how things work.
My first job was into doing software for aircraft, and that's where I kind of got that passion for the industry. I'd like to be able to take problems and create solutions from that.
So that's the primary image video. Following that, there's then a secondary line of content that can include product videos, team profiles, features and benefits, testimonials, case studies, business segments. If your primary image video was kind of your 20,000 foot view of your company, the secondary videos may be that 10,000 or even 5,000 foot view that takes kind of a deeper dive into who you are and what you do. In the case of Freya Systems, they really have kind of two departments or two divisions. One is focused on data analytics. The other one is focused on software development. So this second tier of videos kind of focuses on those two elements, the specifics of what they do for customers. Take a look.
Everyone wants to have insight in the future. There's a factor of uncertainty that applies to everything that we do, and just having more insight as to what lies ahead and having a map that we can take moving forward, I think is beneficial to anybody.
Data is the new oil. As soon as you go to a company and understand their data, you can understand pretty much what's going on in their industry.
So as you kind of work your way down the pyramid here, the third layer is the social media content video. This is the stuff that for potential clients that you target who may have never heard of you, this is how they may find you via social media. So it is important to start creating content for social media. Social media platforms have an algorithm that they use that determine who sees and how often they see the content that you produce. So if you create some written content or you put a photo out there, that algorithm kind of puts it at this level. But if you create video content, or even say through Facebook live video content, the algorithm moves it from here to here and a lot more people see it. Another reason you want to use video. So in this kind of third level of content, social media, it's an opportunity to showcase kind of at a high level who you are and what you do in an effort to, needless to say, get people to go to your website and learn more. So very easily and very effectively, you can produce a lot of content. In the case of Freya here, they use their employees to kind of showcase their expertise.
Hi, I'm Chris
One by one,
Gilroy,
the
and I'd
employees
like to
kind
talk
of
to
went
you
in front of the
about
camera
science
and highlighted what it is they do, useful information for potential customers. They did a total of 12 of these in a couple hours, and the idea Freya was thinking is to distribute these one a month, kind of a slow drip marketing campaign. So in the course of a couple hours, they made 12 videos, a year's worth of content. Take a look at one of them.
Hi, my name is Colin Robertson. I'm with Freya Systems, here to talk today about whether or not we have enough data for the problem at hand. So I would say, canonically speaking, you always want more data when you're trying to solve a problem and build a model. However, for various reasons, we may run into time.
So we've talked about the primary image video, we've talked about secondary content, we've talked about third level content, the social media, and the fourth level is really the do-it-yourself video content, something that you can turn over very quickly, something that frankly you can just use an iPhone with. Always, by the way, when you shoot video, shoot it this way, which is the way a TV kind of looks versus shooting it this way. Just a little tip right there. But again, fourth level is do-it-yourself video content. These can be anything within your organization or externally as well for social media. If you have a new employee coming in and you want to kind of introduce him or her briefly in a 15-second video, it's something you can shoot on the spot and turn around very quickly. It can look raw. It doesn't have to be high-tech or overly professional. It's just a chance for you to showcase your company every chance you get. And so there you have it, 4 types of video content to help you showcase who you are and what you do. We have that primary image video. We have those secondary high-level videos that maybe kind of home in on specifics within your company. The third level is the social media content. And then finally, that fast-paced, quick turnaround, do-it-yourself video content. It's really a good way to get your company seen. So with that, go get your camera. If we can help you here at Focus Media Services, by all means, reach out to us and start shooting. I'm Brad Satin with Focus Media Services.